tailgate hydraulic support, I guess. All right, when I open the truck or the lid, it does this. It's very dangerous, especially if small children are around. This thing is not doing its job anymore. Got that about a year ago, and it has failed. So I'm going to replace it. Let's do this. Here's the old piece. There's a pin, this pin back here. It's really hard to tell on the camera, but there's a slot there. Yeah, right there, that if you can get a screwdriver in there and pop out this retaining clip, then it just slips right off. But I didn't have time for that. It's broken anyway, so I went ahead and popped this thing off the top one. The bottom one didn't fare so well, it broke. So then I did have to get in there and pop off that retaining clip. See that? Yeah. And then it just slid right off. Okay, so put that aside. Move the stuff off the back here. It's going to be impossible to do with one hand, but what I'm going to do is raise the tailgate. Oh, maybe I can. All right, there we go. And then get that in there. Oh, perfect. Whoop. Ah, all right. I need two hands. Okay. One hand to hold up the gate, the other hand to push that thing in, and look at that. See? Ah. This gate is heavy. Here we go. Ah, much better. Oh, what's squeaking? I think I need to oil that thing down there, but okay. There we go. All done. Yeah.